Alright guys, it's Big C. Got the first two videos uploading. It is 5:55, November 9th. So the breaks from 11.6 and 11.7 are uploading. Here's box 5 and 6, and I'll show you those after I show the sheet here. 2012 Topps Chrome Football 2-box break ending 11.8. I probably still waiting on a couple people to pay on this one. So I probably won't. I might post it tonight. Then again, it might be tomorrow. So it just depends on when people pay. A few teams didn't sell. Looks like the Panthers, Bills, Chargers, Raiders, I think, are the only ones that didn't sell. And when you look at these box numbers, if you go to if you want to look and double check, just go to the break 11.6 on the break on 11.6. I opened a case on them and numbered them out of that case that wasn't open. So here we go, and here is, I'll show you box 5 first. There's box 5, and it's 301. So we'll go ahead and get this one started. Got a refractor of Robert Mathis, defensive end for the Colts, 216. And base. Cyrus Gray, refractor Andy Dalton. Got a blue of LaShawn McCoy, and that's out of 199 for the Eagles. And that's Litchfield 4. Tall boy of Muhammad Sanu. Joe, you've been doing good with the Bengals, so, and the Jets, really. Alshon Jeffrey, rookie. Got pink of Cam Johnson, $3.99 for the 49ers. SPJ Diddy. Stephen Hill. Again, that's for Joe. One still. Cue the phone if you. And it's the ex-wife, so that's even better. David Wilson, Giants. Let's see if that's numbered. Some of those are numbered. Nope. David Wilson. Oh, hold on. Now she's calling the house phone. Hey, tell her I'll call her back. I'm doing another break. Alright, sorry about that. Dan Felt, Chargers. And base. Brock Osweiler, Broncos. Miles Austin. I've opened a few of these boxes on my own and did some breaks on them. Still haven't got a Luck or a Griffin or Richardson autograph. Speaking of Richardson, autograph. Let's see. TJ Graham, Bills. Insert. I did get a patch, Doug Martin, Lamar Miller. Did get a nice Ryan Tannehill. I did forget about that for, I think it was a 11.7, or no, it was 11.6 break. Camo, Zach Brown for the Titans out of $4.99. Muhammad Sanu, Ray Halou refractor. T.Y. Hilton. Seems like the rookies are always, or the autos are always on the bottom. A Michael James, red zone. Like they've always been on this side, like the second to the last pack. RG3 insert for the Redskins, and that's BFL Dan 2003. Three more packs here. And base. There should be an autograph. I'm going to say this one. Kobe Fleener. Yep. Dwayne Allen. And I believe Dwayne Allen is the Colts also. I'll look it up for sure, but I think that's who that is. For the Colts. And Chris Gibbons. Alright, well that is box 1. So here we go with box 2. And again, I'll show those. 164, and that's box 6. Again, check the break-in on 11/6, and you'll see where I opened the case and numbered them out of the case. And there is autographed patch cards, so let's see if I can get one. I know I pulled a T.Y. Hilton out of one that I've opened. Now I believe that's the different version there, Joe, of Muhammad Sanu, because I've seen a bunch of them and I haven't seen that version. So I believe that's the rookie variations. Darren Sproles refractor 216. Refractor Josh Freeman, Randy Moss. Tall boy Robert Turbin. Michael Kendricks, refractor, I think, yep. Rookie refractor for the Eagles. Antonio Allen, Mike Adams, Ben Roethlisberger. Russell Wilson, rookie. Tall boy Dwayne Allen, not numbered. Eli Manning. Chris Rainey blue of Akeem Hicks for the Giants, numbered 199. And the base. Bart Starr for the Packers, not numbered, kind of a throwback. And base. Kendall Wright, Brock Osweiler, 84. Every time I say that, there's just 3 cards, so I'm going to quit saying it. I keep on thinking Doug Martin, Buccaneers, the hottest player in the NFL right now. Well, actually, Luck and Griffin are hot, but he's certainly that RG3 right there. Brandon Whedon. Trent Richardson. Still looking for an auto. It's always on the bottom. Thick Ballard. Refractor. Chris Johnson, Peyton Manning. DeVar Posey, Red Zone rookies for the Texans. AJ Green, Ray Rice. Marvin Jones, Muhammad Sanu. See, there's a difference. So that other one, Joe, was a rookie variation, I do believe. Stephen Hill, Rashard Matthews. Is that red? That's pink. I'm sorry, pink for the Dolphins. Josh Cribbs, Mario Williams. And that one might be the auto. The autograph's always been sitting over there. Actually, that side looks... There's 2 packs on each side, and one side looks... like, yeah, that one there is thick. There's something in that one, so we'll save that one for last. So it's some kind of autograph patch. Brandon Whedon, Browns, that's a good one. $4.99 refractor. So who will it be? Lamar Miller. And we'll save the thick one for last. Andrew Luck, Colts, 84. And here is, and I'm going to turn it just so we don't see the back because it is the back of the card. We'll just go like this. Bernard Pierce. Isaiah Peed for the Rams. That's nice though. It's numbered out of 50. Nice patch. So there you go, and that's Litchfield 4. So there you have it, guys. I appreciate it. Again, keep checking out my auctions, Big C 2020-14, and keep looking for the new stuff. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks.